Man, there's nothing like getting out in the woods and exploring nature. Howdy y'all, Jay Bird here, and welcome to 4x4 Today, where we bring you rides, events, and news that you can use. I've got a whole lot for you today. I've got a Jeep versus Bronco event that sounds like a lot of fun. All those new Broncos versus the new Jeeps, all that kind of stuff. I got a work weekend, I got a book to read, and I've got more Jeepfest and stuff that we can talk about. So let's get right started. All right. Coming up, March 2nd, Jeepfest 2024 at Festival Park in Crystal Beach, Texas is going to be noon till 8 o'clock. That's Jeepfest 2020. Now, there's a bunch of Jeepfest, but this one's in Crystal Beach, Texas. There's going to be live music. There's going to be food vendors. There's going to be a Jeep show. It's noon till 8 p.m., and all proceeds benefit St. Jude Hospital, a great hospital helping those kids. So that is a great one. Make sure you plan to attend. Hey, I've got a book for you to read. Okay, my good friend Del Albright, he and his wife have put a book together called Shortcuts to Land Use and Volunteerism. It is now out in paperback and ebook. So I have downloaded. I'm going to read it. I'm going to study it. It gives you tips and tricks to help create a sustainable future for motorized recreation while actually making volunteer life easier. Boy, it would be great to make volunteer life easier. Speaking of volunteerism, I have a work day coming up. It's coming up really quick. I'm very excited. I let everybody know about a rumor I heard about Golden Mountain being back open. Well, this is a Golden Mountain work day. It's going to be the first OHV work day because they're going to do the Speedway and the OHV park. So it's going to be March 2nd at 8 a.m. It is going to be a work day. Plan to work hard. The trails haven't been open in years. We are going to need saws, limbers, brush cleaner, bring your work clothes, bring your gloves, bring your lunch. Now, this is going to be a work day. Don't plan to ride the trails. Don't bring any alcohol. There is no alcohol on the premises whatsoever. This is a work day. So let's get these trails open. Show up. I've got a link below, March 2nd, 8 a.m. It's a work day to get these trails open. All right, before I get to the Bronco versus Jeep day, I need to ask you, please like and subscribe. It really helps get the word out. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you've got a great event that I could share with you or share with the world, I would love to know it. So if you could email me at events@4x4today.com, that would be great. Hey, did I mention like and subscribe? Comment, do anything like that. Interaction really helps. Thanks. All right, let's talk about the Bronco versus Jeep Day. This is sponsored by Broken Arrow Outfitters, and it has the Cars for Cures and Middle Georgia Broncos coming together to see who's better, the Jeeps or the Broncos. It's going to be Saturday, May 4th, 2024 in Perry, Georgia. They're going to have over 50 awards for the show and shine, I guess, the raffles. There's going to be photo ops. There's going to be food trucks. There's going to be vendors. Now, this one sounds like a lot of fun. Bronco versus Jeep. Bronco versus Jeep. I love the new Bronco. I love the look of the new Bronco, the retro feel. It just looks great. So let's see who looks better out there. So this is a school supply drive, and the fee is $20 or 5 school supplies, which could be paper, pencils, glue, notebooks, etc. You know, all that kind of stuff. Backpacks, anything to help the kids with the school. So this is a school supply drive. Sounds like a lot of fun. So that's what I got for you today. I am so excited about all these different events. They sound so much fun. I can't wait to read Del Albright's book and put that to use and keep those trails open. Hey, I'm Jay Bird, the Ice Cream Man, and I will see you on the trails.